Hey editors, I hope you are cooking with your 60 FPS edits. So now I will tell you how you can convert your 60 FPS edit into 120 FPS. And for the CapCut editors, congratulations, you made it this far. Now go to sleep because this trick is only for Alight Motion users. So without wasting more time, let's get into it.